welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Big Thief, and the song is called Dried Roses. So Big Thief, big respect, so they're a great band here in my opinion. So this one, Dried Roses, goes in the same way through the entire song, and we love that. So let's start right away. No need for any cape on this one. We have a couple chords to go over, 3. So let's start first with the G sharp minor. Right, so that is a bar here on the 4th fret, all strings, and the rest will be 6 on A and 6 on D. So that's the G sharp minor. Then we have the B. So you need to bar the 2nd fret now from the A string and down. That means 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 4th on B. And the final chord is E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we need to look at the strumming pattern. So let's grab a G sharp minor, that's the 1st chord. And it's very easy, it's just down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. Alright, so I prefer to play the first down more on the bass strings, and the rest down, down, up more on the middle top strings. So that gives you a little bit more variation in the strumming. So it sounds like this. Yeah. So let's look at the chord progression here. We have the G sharp minor, 1 round. Then B, 1 round. Then E, 1 round. Then back to G sharp minor, 1 round. Then E, 1 round. And G sharp minor, 1 round. And then it ends with a B. Okay, so we can stop there. I will explain the B part soon, but just to repeat everything so far: 1 round of the following chords: G sharp minor, B, E, G sharp minor, E, and G sharp minor. When you come to the B, you will play that for a total of 2 rounds. That's the time frame we have. But for the first round, you're gonna play 1 down on the bass, like you start on all these chords, the bass, 1 down, and then you're gonna play a short little melody there. It goes like this. So bass, and after this melody comes just another strumming round right after. Alright, so what you do here, the melody, you'll play, like I said, 1 down on the bass, and the melody is found built in the chord. So it's 4th on the B string. You will have that with your little pinky here, I believe. Then 2nd on the B string still. You just release it. You get it from the bar here, the 2nd B string. And the last note is 4 on the G string, which you have here, probably with your ring finger. So the melody goes 4 on B, 2nd B, and 4 on G. And then you end with 1 strumming round. So the last B part slowly will be down, bass, and then the notes, and then strumming. Alright, and that will be 1 round. So I'm gonna play this for you a bit slow, so you can really be able to follow. So let's go from the G sharp minor. So you're gonna play that through the entire song, and that will be Big Thief's Dried Roses. So good luck with this one, and hope this was helpful. If it was, please let me know. Thumb up, leave a comment. It's always great to read something from you. And see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.